Hello everyone, this is Sonali from the Australian Academy and I am here today to present one cue card topic in front of you. So let's see what the topic is. Describe an occasion when you wasted your time. So here you have to mention about a particular time when you actually wasted your time. So what are the questions? Let's see. Where were you? So where were you at that time? When it was? So you have to mention that particular time when you wasted your time. What did you do? So at that time what you were doing. Explain why you think it was a wastage of time. So here you have to give a reason. So let's see like what I have included in this topic. So first you have to give a little bit of introduction to your main topic. So let's see what I have included in this. Nobody likes her time getting wasted. So yes, nobody wants their time to be wasted. Everybody values their time. So yes, I have included that nobody likes his or her time getting wasted. But there are a number of situations or circumstances in one's life which rendered us helpless or in which we feel that our time got wasted. So I have included that there are various situations in our life when one feels that their time got wasted. So I had a similar situation. Now I am introducing that I also had a similar kind of situation in my past. I also had a similar situation that I faced and actually it was an utter wastage of my time. So utter wastage of my valuable time. My valuable time means which I valued it very much, but it got wasted. I wanted to utilize it in some kind of productive task, but actually it got wasted. So here I have introduced my topic, that a particular time when my time was getting wasted. So now let's answer to the different questions that have been asked under this particular cue card. So the first question is, where were you at that time? So I went out with my cousin for her interview. So my cousin, she had an interview schedule and I wanted to go out with her just to accompany her. And then the second question is when it was. So here you have to mention a particular time. So I have clearly mentioned last December. So last December I was accompanying her to visit to an office for her interview. So what did you do? So here you have to first explain that how your time got wasted and what you did at that time. So I did not, now I have created a little bit of story here. I did not want to go as I had to prepare my assignment. So I already had some work to do and I didn't want to go, but she insisted me, or she requested me, or she urged me to come with her. So yes, I agreed and I joined her. Her interview was scheduled, so you can give any particular time. That suppose her interview was scheduled at 11 a.m. and we reached the office around 10:45. So we were on time and I thought that we will get free in like 2 hours. So but what happened, that your time got wasted. So interviewer was running late. So the person who was going to conduct her interview, he was running late. So because of that, her interview got postponed. So we had to wait for the interviewer to come and to continue the interview process. We waited for 2 hours and finally she got free at 4. So I hoped to get free around in 2 hours, but the process took so long because the interviewer was running late and we got free around 4. So this is how my time got wasted. Now what you actually did at that time. So you can say I was sitting idle, or I was chit-chatting with her, or you can include that I was watching movies on my phone, or I was watching just some kind of videos on my phone. Now what you were feeling at that time. So you can say that I was quite furious at that time because I am a very short-tempered person. I felt like scolding her because you were getting very anxious about that because your time was getting wasted. So you felt like scolding her, but considering the situation, because it was not in your hands, neither it was in your cousin's hand. So you considering the situation, you chose to be calm and composed. So you were not getting angry at her. So you chose to be calm and composed, means you were quiet, you said nothing, you were busy watching movies or watching some kind of videos on your phone or doing chit chat with her. Now you can end it by saying that we returned back to our home around 4 and I was quite tired, so it was like a wastage of my time, and I was up the whole night because I had to prepare my assignment, because of which I didn't want to accompany her, but I agreed, so it was a complete wastage of my time, and at the end you can say that I wish I could have used that time in a more productive manner. So this is like a answer to this question. Thank you for watching this video.